today I'm going to make fried green peas with pork. My mom's favorite food and it's very healthy. Very healthy. Okay, let's see what we have. We have green peas, sugar, oyster sauce, garlic, and soy sauce, chili, golden mountain seasoning sauce, and pork. Let's do now. Yay! Okay, first I'm gonna put cooking oil. Okay, enough. And I'm gonna put garlic. Ooh, smell good. I like it. Okay, let's put some pork. Okay, and mix it. Very big pork. Here, our lunch. Ooh! This not spicy, I think. A little bit of, just a little bit chili. See? Mom, come here. Here. Almost done. Okay. Then I'm gonna put green peas. All of this. And sugar. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Okay. Then golden mountain seasoning sauce. Let's mix it. See? Look very good. Yep. Here, many green peas and pork, chili here, not many, some garlic. Big green peas. And this pork almost done, see? Everyone can do for your parents, eat, or your family. Easy. It's very healthy food. I'm very sure if you eat this, no COVID gonna come in your bodies, and your body gonna be strong because this green peas healthy. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the plates. My arms. okay. I'm gonna end the video now. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell for me. Bye everyone. See ya. Take care of yourself.